Welcome to Quote-Helicopter Explainer, where we are looking at a very interesting question. What happens when a widow gets married after the husband has died? This is a very topical question. Look at this scenario. The law originally was saying, if your husband dies, as a widow you don't inherit. You only get what is called a life interest. You live on that land, your child who you gave birth inherits over this land. So the widows could only get a life interest. Let us put these scenarios to perspective. Mary has been married to John. John is 30 years old. Mary has just finished university. She is 21 years old. The husband dies when she is 22 years old. She has only been married for 1 year. She has a child. She has not even delivered. The husband has died. Normally, it is acceptable in Africa and in Kenya, husbands marry when they are old. Reason being, they have got to look for a job, they have got to buy a blanket, they have got to buy shoes for them to marry. So they are normally older. So this man, our John, is 30 years. He has a job now, he has bought property, he has a mortgage, he has something, then he has married. He dies. This lady has only been married for 1 year. She has one child, or she's not even expectant. Under the law, she must remain married to the grave of the husband. If she remarries, she loses everything. That life interest goes. Is this not discrimination against women? Yet when the wife dies, the widower can remarry. And there's no question about it. Imagine this is your sister who has got to be married to a grave all her life for 50 years, 60 years. Some widows live up to 90 years. She was widowed when she was 18. She has got to live for 75 years. Glued to that. Is it not slavery for widows not to inherit? Some of the money, some of the property, the husband who died, this woman contributed into the generation of that property. But she cannot marry. She must remain married to a grave. This question went before the Meru High Court. In the High Court at Meru, a Constitutional Petition E017 of 2021, Justice Mureidi gave the following decision. So the question was, Section 35 of the Law of Succession provides that if a widow remarries, that widow loses everything. If he remarries. So the question was before the judge, and the judge, in his judgment, declared Section 35 of the Law of Succession unconstitutional. This is what the judge said. According to the reasons set above, the court makes the following orders. A declaration is hereby issued that Section 35(1)(b) of the Law of Succession Act is declared unconstitutional. What does that mean? That the widows have now equal rights to enjoy their life. You cannot enslave a widow because she also needs her life. The judge also gave the Attorney General and the Speaker of the National Assembly to take measures and legislative measures to correct this mistake. So the widows, you are no longer in prison. Hatusemi not yet uhuru. The widows have now the freedom. The Constitution 2010 has given you that freedom. Wakili Dan Stanomari, always bringing to you landmark decisions as they unfold. Keep watching, enjoy your festive seasons as they come for Easter. Thank you.